Hello, everyone. This is a continuation of the Centipede restoration I'm doing. It's been a good day. I guess the weather was good today, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this apart. The control panel. This is the only thing basically that's the siding, but the control panel overlay. I just got it. I got the panel overlay this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up right now. I got it from arcadeoverlay.com. One of my fellow arcade people on YouTube gave me some other suggestions, recommendations to go get this panel. This control panel, but they didn't have it. At the time, they only had it for cabaret, and I needed an upright. So this is it. Came out pretty good. This is on the. I thought it was gonna be cut out, but I might just have to make the cuts myself. But the color is good on it. The backing is 3M, so you know 3M is good. And this is the old one here, and that's the new one. So I just gotta put it on. Just see how faded it is on that one. So I just gotta put it on that one. Okay.